Let's learn with Park Chun-in. Today we are going to learn about sentence. For example, Joe likes basketball. The weather is cold today. Words can go together to make sentences. Sentences can go together to make a paragraph. Finally, paragraphs can be combined into an essay. In this video, you will learn about a sentence pattern that we call a simple sentence. In English, every sentence has two main parts, the subject and the verb. Sometimes there's an object and other information after the verb. The subject is the person or thing that does the action. The subject can be a noun or a pronoun. It can be two or more than two nouns or more than two pronouns. However, the nouns or pronouns must share the same verbs. The subject is usually near the beginning of a sentence. For example, Maria and her sister go to piano class every week. In this sentence, Maria and her sister are subjects. Then you can see they share the same verb. The verb tells what the subject is doing. The verb is usually an action word, such as go, speak, write, swim, and watch. Sometimes the verb does not have much action, such as verb to be, am, is, are, was, were. The words like want and need are also verbs that does not have much action. Verbs can have two actions or more than two actions for one subject. The verb is usually in the middle of a sentence after the subject. In this sentence, you can see two verbs for one subject. The object is the thing or person after the main verb. The object receives the action of the verb. It can be a noun or a pronoun. It can be two or more than two nouns or more than two pronouns. Maria's brother plays guitar and violin. You can easily find the object after the main verb. In this sentence, plays is the main verb. So the words guitar and violin after the main verb are the objects. Sentences can contain other information after the verb and the object, such as time was, time precise, or place precise. When a sentence has a time precise and a place precise, the time precise usually comes last. Maria and her sister practice the piano at home every day. In this sentence, you can see place precise and time precise together. Remember that time precise usually comes last, so you have to use at home every day, not every day at home. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time. Bye.